What are you doing? I'm reading. What are you doing?
I'm throwing.
What are you throwing?
I'm throwing the ball. What are you doing?
I'm catching.
What are you catching?
I'm catching the ball. What are you doing?
I am writing.
Where are you writing?
I'm writing on the board.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
What are you playing?
I'm playing Jenga.
What are you doing?
I'm sleeping.
Where are you sleeping?
I'm sleeping in the library. What are you doing?
I'm reading.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a book.
What are you doing?
I'm drinking.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking water. What are you doing?
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
I'm eating an apple. What are you doing?
I'm washing my hands.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting.
Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on a bench. What are you doing?
I'm hiding.
Where are you hiding?
I'm hiding behind the bushes.
What are you doing?
I'm running.
What are you doing?
I'm walking.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing.